The Broken Bridge. Once upon a time, in the village of Willow Creek, a small wooden bridge connected two sides of the river. The villagers relied on the bridge to visit each other, deliver goods, and go to school. One stormy night, heavy rains flooded the river, and the bridge broke in half. The next morning, the villagers gathered near the river, worried about how they would manage without the bridge. "How will I deliver my bread to the other side?" worried Mr. Baker. "My children can't cross to attend school," cried Mrs. Harper. Everyone talked, but no one knew what to do. Suddenly, a young boy named Sam stepped forward. "Why don't we fix the bridge together?" he suggested. "Fix it? But I'm not a carpenter," said Mr. Fisher, shaking his head. Sam thought for a moment. "We all have different strengths. If we work together, we can do it." Encouraged by Sam's words, the villagers agreed. Mr. Woods, the carpenter, brought tools and nails. Mr. Baker and Mrs. Harper collected sturdy planks from fallen trees. The children helped by cleaning the area and carrying light pieces of wood. Even Mrs. Plum prepared snacks for everyone to keep their energy up. As the sun began to set, the villagers hammered, sawed, and tied ropes. Bit by bit, the bridge took shape. Everyone worked together, laughing and helping each other. By nightfall, the bridge was ready. It wasn't as fancy as the old one, but it was strong and sturdy. The villagers cheered and clapped. From that day on, the villagers of Willow Creek learned an important lesson. When we work together, no challenge is too big. Sam smiled as he crossed the bridge with his friends, knowing that unity had saved the day. Teamwork makes the impossible possible.